Not this time.
T-minus 4 minutes has just been called.
If it stays up for those 350, 400 days, you can't pack enough sandwiches to have people on board. Okay? So when we're doing these tests, it is going
Tom, don't.
Unmanned configuration.
Yeah, we don't. Where's Ben?
Ben.
I got Ben.
You've got Ben.
Ben in your bag.
The question is about what it is today. It's basically a NASA-created unmanned winged spacecraft, kind of like a miniature shuttle. The difference is
3 minutes.
the payload bay of the shuttle has
Securing
a
LOG
bus and a
copy.
minivan.
Atlas
This
tanks
is more
to
like the
flight
size of a
pressure.
pickup truck. Now, the NASA developed it. They couldn't find any. It didn't work to do what they wanted it to do, so they turned it over to the Air Force. Now, the Air Force flies it.
This is Atlas Mission Control at T-minus 2 minutes, 42 seconds and counting. The launch vehicle, spacecraft, ground systems, eastern range and weather look good as we proceed towards T0 at 1:03 p.m. Eastern Time. Once the rocket lifts off, it will take approximately 90 seconds to reach Mach 1, or the speed of sound.
Wow.
As John mentioned, this is the second flight for this vehicle. The first flight was the first one ever. The second one followed it, stayed up for 400 days. We don't know exactly how long any of them stay up. The Air Force operates them. Everything they do is classic. We only found out the launch time about 2 days ago. Today they had figured out the launch time. Specific about that. But if it takes off, the Air Force will tell
Vehicle internal.
and they'll stay up there.
Launch sequence start.
150. Securing sensor LH2.
Securing sensor LO2.
140.
STS launch enable.
STS arm.
Now weather. 2 minutes.
Focus on.
STS count started.
Producing CS for launch.
Roger.
1 minute.
It's out block.
1 minute. 1 minute.
50 seconds.
T-minus 1 minute. T-minus 45 seconds.
45
Table at
seconds.
step 3.
Here we go.
How is anyone to know?
What's my guy called again? I forgot.
ECS reduced launch.
Roger.
Status check.
Go out. Go Centaur. Go OTV3.
T-minus 20 seconds. This is Atlas Mission Control at T-minus 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
We have
2,
ignition, 2,
1.
1, and liftoff. Liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket carrying the third OTV mission for the United States Air Force.
We wait with
We're
bated
now hearing
breath.
the voice of Rob Gannon providing launch vehicle ascent data. Let's listen in for mission progress.
PU fixed ankles. Engine continues to operate at 100% thrust.
Where is it?
Vehicle continuing right down the center of the range.
Oh, there it is. Check that out.
They're gonna drop off.
Vehicle continues to operate as expected. looking good.
Hear it?
And we have passed Mach 1.
That's it.
Next queue.
Wow.
Vehicles now entering the next queue. Everything's looking good. And we have now throttled down.
Oh, awesome.
Everything's looking good. Starting committee continues to operate.
You'll be right over this.
No, just going that way.
Yes, I can get a picture of there. The rocket's just a little light in the background.
All pressures are up as expected.
You'll see the things coming back down. It's going to jets and things, isn't it?
When will it come off? When did they say? How many seconds?
90 seconds, was it? No, 3 minutes.
140 seconds into flight, the vehicle now weighs half of what it did at liftoff. Engines operate at 5% thrust, looking good. We have power levels and cheese, payload separation.
There's the engine.
Is that the smoke up there? No? Yeah, you'll be able to see it still then, I think. I think it is, Dom.
Yarding 180 continues to throttle, forward as expected. Control pressure.
You can't see it.
Lost an adult admission ticket. We did find one admission ticket. If you want to use it to go to the Hall of Fame later, you better check in and I'll let you, if you missed a ticket, let me know. You will need the admission ticket. It is included in your price of admission here to go to the Astronauts Hall of Fame 6 miles west of us. You'll have to find your own way to get there, but you can use our ticket to go to the Hall of Fame not only today or tomorrow, any day in the next 6 days. If you go to the Hall of Fame on another day, don't bother getting up early. If you get to the Astronauts Hall of Fame before noon, you better bring a lunch, because there's not going to be anybody there to unlock the doors till noon. You can use our ticket to get in there anytime in the next 6 days, so if you lost a ticket, let me
Should be
know.
coming down any minute.
Get it back to you. Thank you all for coming to watch the launch. A lot of other neat things going on today. If you want one of our tours, the special engine tours, don't waste your time.
What?
If you're taking a regular tour, just head on over there. They'll continue the operation of the full tour. The time to close Orbital about 2:30. Let me see about that.